Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to put Reminders widget on iPhone lock screen. Let's get started. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Wallpaper option. Click on it. Now, it might seem a bit odd, but this is where you'll customize your wallpaper to display your reminders on the lock screen. Choose the Customize option on your currently selected design. Now, pay attention here. You can bring widgets to this area by tapping. Notice that you have the option to add widgets. You can select widgets from here. Select and hold. And place in box. After customizing, just tap, then tap Done at the top, and voila! You're all set. Your reminders are now conveniently displayed on your lock screen. It's that easy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.